Hey YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Homesteading Cheaper by the Dozen. This is Caleb, and I have a question today. So I have this dirt bike. I don't know what brand or what size motor is supposed to go on it, but I bought a motor from the Mennonites. It is a one-cylinder Lamborghini engine. I will show it to y'all here in a little bit. But I'm thinking maybe if I cut this mount off, all this right here, and cut this right here off and just reinforced it to go straight down from back here down to here. That'd have all this room right here, and then just run this bar right here across over there, so this is all still stable, and we can still have all the shocks and everything, but have a one-cylinder diesel on a dirt bike. I think that would be pretty fun. It's scary and cool. Or we could do this. We could put the one-cylinder diesel on a go-kart. How cool would that be, y'all? We could put it would mount right here. I will have to weld the bar going from there to there, and there to there, and get a chain drive sprocket to fit on that, and it would, theoretically, it should match up pretty well. This right here is pretty solid, so I could bolt it all down to that. The rear end on this needs to be bolted down. It's totally bolted on. That's attached the right way. Anyways, or we could put it on this, which is a hydrostatic, what is it? Economy tractor, Simplicity. It has linkage for attachments, like it's got a PTO pump, which we could run stuff off of. We could run probably a front end loader, a miniature front end loader, or stuff like that. It's got a bunch of belt drive stuff, like this belt right here, and those belts up in there for running tillers and stuff. It's got a little tiny trailer hitch here for adorable little tools, but we could put it on this, and it's, like I said, hydrostatic. It'd be pretty fun to put on here. If I can get this to open, I'll show you what's on it right now, but it's had to load it on the trailer the other day. It got twisted and warped all sorts of ways, but it has a 12 horsepower color on it, and these are good solid motors, but don't you think it'd be a lot better with a diesel on it? I mean, just imagine a diesel attached to this shaft, okay, on this tractor right here, or at our other property that we had before we moved here. I have an economy tractor just like this, but instead of hydrostatic, it has a 4-speed transmission. So we could put it on this one, or the one I have at the other house. It's got the 4-speed transmission, or that go-kart over there, the green one. So now I will take you and I'll show you the motor. This is not it, but I'm just thinking, what if we put this on a go-kart? That would be cool. I think Dad's got plans to put that in a minivan, though, and have a nice little 4-cylinder diesel minivan, front-wheel drive, 5-speed. Be pretty cool. Okie dokie, here it is. The 1-cylinder diesel engine. I'm going to let y'all choose to put on whatever y'all want that I just showed you. Either one of the two tractors, the go-kart, or the dirt bike. I don't know whether it's called a Lamborghini or how to pronounce that. I'm not sure, but it is a pretty solid sound motor. It runs great. I will show y'all it running here in another video, but for today, that's it. We'll give y'all, what do we do? We'll do 3 days. 3 days, whichever one we have the most comments on, we'll put the motor on. And let's see. Yep, I guess that's it for the day. So comment down below, tell me what you want to put this motor on right here, and within 3 days we'll start building it, whichever one y'all choose. So we will see y'all next time.